Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Tech Motoring. On today's episode we're going to be taking a look at this product here. These are the AOSK Seat Back Covers for your Mustang Mach-E. So these go on the back of your driver and passenger seat. Gives you a little bit more extra protection for the back of those seats. Stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive in. All right, everybody, well, welcome back. So like I was saying, AOSK reached out to me, sent me these really awesome Suede seat back covers for your Ford Mustang Mach-E. So pretty cool product. All they do is they go on the back side of your driver's seat and your passenger seat. They give you a little bit extra protection on the back of your seat. So if you're type of person who has people who sit in the back that tend to be really tall, maybe they cross their legs, they end up putting their feet all over the back of your seat, you'll know that this is a really easy way to protect the back of your seat and easy to clean, just like the actual seats in the vehicle. But also you can always take these off and clean them if you had to take them out of the car for any reason. So not only will you protect your seat, give yourself an easier way to clean them, and of course if they ever get really beat up after a while, you can just replace them. And especially for those of you who have kids, maybe you have a car seat in the back seat, your kids grow to a certain point where they can reach their feet and start hitting the back of the seat. This is a fantastic solution for that problem. So instead of them wearing out the actual back of your OEM leather in your Mach-E, at least they can put their feet up against this, and you know what? You can just replace these every once in a while, So really cool product, and as you can see, we have two identical ones here. They also retain the pocket in the back of the seat, so obviously this covers the entire back of the seat, so you'll lose access to the pocket, but you will get a pocket here in the seat back cover. So that's a good idea. Good job, AOSK, for thinking about that. On the other side, you just have a felt product here that just leans up against your seat. So this way it's nice and protecting your seat. Won't scratch it, won't cause any issues. So once again, smart on that. On the bottom here, we have a Velcro strap that'll be part of the installation process. And we have these other elastic straps here, which also helps kind of keep it tight to the back of your seat. So we're going to go over the install of this product in just a minute, and we'll see how easy it is to install. We'll see how it looks when it's done, and we'll kind of take a before and after picture and see if we could really tell the difference, because honestly they're pretty similar. So we'll see how they look. But anyway, let's jump in the car where it's a little bit cooler because it's about 95 degrees out right now. And if you're interested in this product, I will have a link in the description below where you can pick this up for yourself. Keep in mind that your Mustang Mach-E will need to have your headrest removable. So you have to take the headrest off in order to utilize this product properly, because the headrest goes back through these holes, kind of holds this down at the top of your seat. So before you go buying this product, make sure you have a version where you have removable headrests. I believe the GTs may or may not have removable headrests, so just make sure you take note of that before you go purchasing it. But link is down in the description below. Let's jump in the car, let's take a look at these, and let's cool down a little bit. All right, everybody, well, welcome to the back seat of the Mustang Mach-E, where we are going to be working on this surface here. Now, I went ahead and already cleaned the back of the seats just so I knew that they were not dirty seats behind these seat covers. Of course, I also make sure that you cleaned out anything that might be in these storage pockets as well. So might be something to double check so you don't get this back onto your seat and then you realize, oh, I left all that stuff in the back pocket there. So remember, you're going to be moving that over to the new pockets on this side here. So the first thing we want to do is we want to actually take the headrests off of the Mach-E here. So what we're going to do is just hit this button right here. We're going to slide them up all the way. I might have to adjust. Oh, nope, I got it off. Okay, headrest is off. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take one of the seat back covers here and we're going to throw it right here. We're going to take our headrest and we're going to line it back up the way it was. Get it back in the seat here. All right, there we go. Wow, that looks pretty good already, doesn't it? Now, a couple other things that come in the seat back covers is a sheet of paper which has the install guide on it, and this bag here which has these 4 plastic anchors. And what you do with these is this actually is what anchors the elastic bands, and this will actually hold the bands tight, so this stays tight against the seat. So basically, just the directions is basically 4 steps. It says take off the headrest and put the cover on, which we kind of already did that part. And then it says to put the anchors into the seat seam. So I guess what we need to do is run these elastic bands around and then anchor them to the front or around the front, and then we just tuck them into the seam between the bottom of the seat and the vertical part of the seat here. So we'll take a closer look at those in a little bit. And then it says secure the Velcro at the bottom of the seat, and then the last step is done. So it seems like it should be a pretty straightforward process. So I'm curious of where the Velcro holds on to. Okay, yeah, so there is some fabric on the bottom of the seat. So if I just pull this down and around, oh yeah, look at that. That is easy, right? All I did was tuck it. We just pulled it down a little bit and pushed it against the fabric on the bottom. And there you go, it was already done. So now we just got to take care of these elastic straps here. So these are gonna go around the front, and then we're gonna take one of these anchors, or I guess 2 of these anchors. I'm not really sure. I have to look at those instructions one more time. And then we'll keep this. And as we can see, as we pull this tight, it just holds the seat that much tighter. So that's pretty much all the purpose of that is. So let's go ahead and get that anchor put in there and see how it works. I'm just going to show you real quick how these anchors work with the elastic band. All you do is you slide in your elastic in one side of the anchor, and then take that and slide it into the other side of the anchor, and that is how the anchor works, just like that. You can see from the side that this now is anchored, so if it gets pulled like this, the anchor doesn't move because it's anchored in place. Thus the reason they call it an anchor. Let's get these installed and see how it looks. All right, everybody, well, as we can see, we got the first one on here. It looks pretty good on the back of the seat. I'll just show you a side shot here so you can take a look for yourself. And yeah, I think it looks pretty good. The only thing is there's a little bit of play right here against the back of the seat, but honestly I don't think it's that big of a deal. How I ran the elastic was around this way and just kind of shoved it under the seat. Let me see if I get a better view from here. And it kind of just comes around right there and goes into the seam, and then where that comes out, undo this, comes out right here. So the anchors sit here anchoring against the back of the seat. And basically what I did is I just tied the anchors together too. This way it would be a little bit more snug, and that seems to work pretty well. So let's go ahead and get this tied back down here. And there we go. So yeah, so I mean, I think this is something that you can probably live with, is a little bit of slack. Maybe I did something wrong. If you know a better way, or if you've done it before where you've gotten these where they're, you know, tight up against the seat like perfectly, put in the comments what you did. I'll be curious to know, because, you know, I'm just going by the very vague instructions I get, but I still think they look really good. And once again, just to kind of compare it to the factory seat here, you know, doesn't look too much different. Obviously, you don't have this concave area here that goes down. That's kind of back here now. But I think it looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and get the second one on here and see how they both look together. All right, everybody, well, here we go. The AOSK seat back covers for the Mustang Mach-E looks really, really cool. I think these are also very, very helpful as well, just to keep your original seats in their best shape possible, especially if you have young kids in the back seat that are kicking the back of your seats, or just really anybody. Tall people that sit back here might rub their knees against the back of the seat, maybe their feet hit the back of the seat. I think it's really cool. The pocket is really nice, really deep. There's a little bit of play in the seat back cover here, but honestly it's not that bad. It's not really like it gets in the way of anything. If you're looking for something that's going to protect your seats, if you're looking for something that's going to be still stylish and look pretty good, you can see that the color is pretty close to the factory. I mean, it's very close. I mean, I think the AOSK seat cover is probably just a little bit lighter in color than the actual black interior of the Mustang Mach-E. But overall, I gotta say, it's pretty cool. And I also want to show you one more thing that this might be a really good purpose for. So let's take a look at that. So let's just say that you haul a lot of cargo in the back of your Mustang Mach-E, right? Like this. So obviously, you probably have a cargo cover in the back protecting your interior. Another really cool thing that AOSK sells are these seat back covers for the back seat. This rubberized material that helps protect those in the event that you need to put any cargo on top of those. But if for some reason your cargo still has to go further, you'll also have protection for the back of your front seats as well now. So if you have a lot of cargo you need to put in your back of your Mustang Mach-E, well, guess what? Now you have full protection all the way from bumper all the way to the back of your front seats. So I think that'd be a really cool addition to have if you're looking for the full suite of, you know, seat back covers and protection for your interior of your Mustang Mach-E. All right, everybody, well, there you go. These are the AOSK seat back covers for your Mustang Mach-E. And of course, if you're interested in this product, link is down in the description below. Make sure you take a look at them and check them out and see if it's something that would fit your interior. Like I said, these are great for the type of people who maybe have little kids, or maybe like I was showing before about the cargo protection, right? You have full cargo protection all the way from the back of your Mach-E all the way up to the back seats, or the back of your front seats, I should say, with what AOSK offers you. I'd like to thank AOSK for sending these out to me. I'd like to thank all of you for watching today's video. And of course, once again, if you're interested, link is down in the description. And if you're interested in more content like this, make sure you check out our channel on YouTube and check us out on all our social medias. All those links are also down in the description below. Thanks again for watching, and remember, welcome to the future and welcome to Tech Motoring. And we'll see you on the next product review.